Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index is holding near 99 after gaining on safe haven demand as Washington moves to further isolate Iran from the global financial system. However, the dollar remains close to a 3-month low after the Treasury expanded its long-term bond buyback program, reviving concerns over US debt. Markets now turn to PCE inflation data and Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's Jackson Hole speech. WTI crude fell more than 4% on Monday, slipping below $81 a barrel as markets reacted to signs of easing US-Iran tensions. Diplomatic efforts involving Pakistan and Qatar have reduced fears of an immediate military escalation, while Washington's latest sanctions were less severe than expected. Despite this, significant oil flows continue through the Strait of Hormuz, keeping geopolitical risks firmly in focus. Gold extended its gains on Tuesday, trading around $4,660 an ounce, supported by a weaker US dollar, technical buying, and the Treasury's expanded bond buyback program. Gold has already broken above its 200-day moving average, while global gold ETFs saw their strongest weekly inflows in 10 months. Markets now focus on PCE inflation and Kevin Warsh's Jackson Hole speech, with 4,700 the next key level. Yen is consolidating just above 159 as traders wait for the next major catalyst. The broader backdrop remains supportive, with concerns over Japan's fiscal outlook, rising long-term yields, and the wide interest rate gap keeping yen carry trades attractive. These pressures have largely offset the impact of July's coordinated currency intervention, while ongoing Middle East tensions continue to support demand for the US dollar. Euro is trading around 1.167 after a modest decline in the previous session. Higher oil prices, rising bond yields, and Middle East tensions are adding to Eurozone inflation concerns and supporting expectations for a more hawkish ECB. However, higher US Treasury yields are limiting the Euro's upside. Traders are now watching Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's Jackson Hole speech for the next major signal on the dollar.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.